While a recent announcement from a CNBC article shares that the average national FICO score has reached an all-time high of 706, the good news for potential homebuyers is that you don't need a score that high to qualify for a mortgage. So let's unpack the credit score myth so you too can become a homeowner sooner than you think. Hey, Big Lloyd Dotson here, and with today's low interest rates, many believe now is a great time to buy, and rightfully so. So in this edition of Just Ask Big, we'll take a look at the FICO score myth. Can you really qualify for a mortgage? Now that's a good question. So join me right after the break and I'll share everything you need to know. I'll see you on the other side. Hey, welcome back. So before the break, I was sharing a CNBC article, and in it, Fannie Mae recently noted that 58% of Americans surveyed say it's a good time to buy. Now, in the Quarter 3 2019 home survey by the National Association of Realtors, 63% of people believe now is a good time to buy a home. But unfortunately, fear and misinformation often hold qualified and motivated buyers back from taking that leap into homeownership. The article quoted that the first time average national credit score reached 706 according to FICO, the developer of one of the most commonly used scores by lenders. Now this is great news, as it means that Americans are improving their credit scores and building towards stronger financial futures, especially after the market tumbled during the previous decade. And with our strong economy, increasing wages, many Americans are improving their credit over the past few years, and that drives the national average up. But Americans with stronger credit now entering the housing market, we're seeing that FICO score increase across those closed loans. But hang on, don't forget, this doesn't mean that you need a FICO score over 700 to actually qualify for a mortgage. You see, Experian explains that they are looking at different loans, FHA loans for instance, those for less than perfect credit that may not be able to qualify for conventional mortgage loans. The size of your required down payment for an FHA loan depends on the state of your credit score. If your score is between 500 and 579, you put 10% down. If it's 580 or above, you can put as little as 3.5% down, but you can put down more if you want to. Conventional loans. It's possible to get approved for a conforming conventional loan with a credit score as low as 620, although some lenders may look for a score of 660 or better. USDA loans doesn't have a set credit score requirement. Most lenders offering those loans require at least a 640 score. VA loans, as with income levels, lenders set their own minimum credit requirements for VA loan borrowers. Lenders are likely to check credit scores as part of that screening process, and most will set a minimum score or cutoff that loan applicants must exceed to be considered. All right, listen up, because this is important. As you can see, there are lots of loans granted to buyers with a FICO score that is below that national average. But if you'd like to understand the next steps to take when determining your credit score, you need to make sure to reach out to a trusted advisor to learn more about your situation. Alrighty folks, that's my big real estate tip for today. If you'd like to learn more educational information on buying and selling real estate, make sure to watch my other Just Ask Big videos. Or if you want to have me help you personally with the buying or selling of real estate, feel free to message me directly. Or you can contact me toll free at 833-ASK-BIG. That's 833-ASK-BIGG. For those that want those little digits, that's 833-275-2444. And last but not least, be sure to visit my website at bigresultsrealestate.com. Thanks for watching, and that's our episode. I appreciate you joining me, and as always, remember to be bold and think big.